Hi kittens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a Ross haul, and it's a long awaited Ross haul because I should have gotten this out to you guys a long time ago. Okay, some of the first products that I'm going to be showing you guys are actually cleaning products, and it's cleaning products that people swear by here on social media. But anyways, this is called the pink stuff. This is the Miracle Cleaner. And this is, it says tough on stains, sparkling cleaning, and 100% natural cleaning. The versatile liquid cream cleaner for hard surfaces. Is tough on stains, penetrates and removes grease and grime, leaving shiny, clean results using 100% natural cleaning particles. Okay, I have not used this yet, so I can't tell you anything about this. But I did get this, which is the spray. This is the pink stuff, the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. Now I've used this in my bathtub, and in my sink, and this works. So I have to say this works, but I don't know that it's doing anything more than my last cleaner did. I don't know that, but I can say it cleaned it. I mean, very well. So I guess that's good enough. And these were not too expensive at all. This was $5.99, and this was $5.99 as well. And I got this here. This is the pink stuff as well, but this is the Miracle Cleaning Paste. And this is for $5.99 as well. Now, I did see I watched this YouTuber, her name is Catherine. Her channel is Do It on a Dime, and I saw her clean this. So I think that like when you have like tough to clean areas, and then you put this on like a little cleaning sponge or whatever, and then you clean it over it, and supposedly later, you know, you rinse it off, and it's like voila. So I wanted to see if this works for real for me. But let's see. But it's a cleaning paste. Okay, it says can be used throughout the home and beyond. It's a it's multi-purpose cleaning power. It's tough on ovens, stoves, saucepans, sinks, UPC, barbecues, tiles, glass, showers, sneakers, garden furniture, rust, paintwork, boats, brass. The list is endless. So this is good for pretty much everything. So I can't wait to try this out. So here I got this stuff called Out. This was $5.99 as well. But I got this stuff called Out. This is the it's a urine destroyer. So it's 3 times the enzyme cleaning power. I don't have carpet or anything like that, but Maui typically will leak on the floor. Like she starts peeing on the potty pads, and then sometimes she starts to walk, and you know, she's still leaking, and then it hits the floor, right? So then I have to clean that up. Okay, but this here is supposed to be, it says enzymatic probacteria formula, removes the toughest urine odors and stains, and discourages repeat markings. So what it is it stops her from marking her little territory and coming back and peeing in that same area when she sniffs, and then she decides she wants to pee in that same area. So this confuses her to where it's like, okay, I know I peed somewhere around here. I can't smell it. So this is good. But she's pretty good at using the pad for the most part. But I did want to try this because someone mentioned this to me, and it just so happened that I went into Ross and I found it for $5.99. Another thing I got for, well, this was $9.99, but this is the argan oil of Morocco shampoo refill. So my kids use this for their hair. Ouch. They use this to wash their hair out, and I was happy to actually find a refill bag because one, there's more in this than what comes in these bottles that you see here. But anyways, they have these bottles already, so all I have to do is refill it. So this is really good with, you know, for their hair. Good for mine too, but I don't use this. Anyways, so for $6.49, I found this here. This is the, what is this? This is the Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner Refill. So this one here is the conditioner refill, and I felt like since I had the shampoo refill that I also wanted the conditioner. And for some reason, this one was reduced. which I was not mad about. And here's what it looks like. I found this at Ross. This is the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. It was $26.99, and this is from Ross. And I can tell y'all, I barely had this thing for say 2.5 weeks, and I have used the crap out of this. This is a very nice nude palette. This would be nude for me, right? Because all the browns and stuff, right? So this is a great everyday eyeshadow palette for me. So yes, I've been using this a crap ton. Okay, so if I see this again, I would buy it again, because at the rate I've been using this, it'll be gone shortly, you know. Or I would say I would hit pan. So another thing I got were these Modern Beauty face brushes, and there are 5 makeup brushes, and this was for $8.99. They looked so soft, that's why I got them. Ooh, they are soft, y'all. They are nice and soft. And I like the nude color, like the kind of more muted color. I like that. Another thing I got was for $2.99 at Ross were these beauty sponges. These are XL beauty sponges, and I thought these were so stinking cute. Look how big these things are. Look how big, y'all. So big and beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Okay, so so I craft on the side, okay? I have another hobby aside from makeup, right? And shopping, I guess you could say. And it's journaling and stuff like that, right? So here is what I got for that. These are scissors, very slim, kind of precise scissors. It says 3-piece fashion scissors. And this was for $3.49. Okay, so I got this for 49 cents from Ross. And this is a workbook that you can practice your calligraphy in. So when you see people do the little fancy writing with the brush markers or brush pens, whatever you want to call it, they typically use this style of writing. Well, this will help you get better at it. Well, it's going to help me for sure. Okay, so here it is. It's right here. See how that is? Okay, another thing that I found that was surprisingly cheap in comparison to the prices that I've known them to charge, right, was the Pat McGrath powder brush. What is this, a powder brush? Yes, this is her powder brush. And this was $18.99. Still quite a bit for a brush, but I wanted to get my hands on it to see how her brushes felt and if they are worth, you know, the charge. You know what I mean? I don't buy any expensive brushes, not really, unless they go on sale. So it's not just against Pat McGrath, okay? It's just any brushes, because they have cheaper brushes that can get the same results, right? But anyways, here it goes. And this is soft, but this is softer, you know. Let's see. Okay, so here's another brush from Pat McGrath, and this is the foundation brush. Okay, this is her foundation brush. And how much was this? This was $16.99, if I didn't say that already. Here's what that looks like. Really pretty brushes. They are really pretty. This one is really soft, so this one is softer than the other one. And it's so little and cute. Okay, so I have more brushes. These are $5.99. For four brushes. For 4 brushes, it's $5.99. These are very similar to the Pat McGrath, but Pat McGrath has them beat. Like, and here's what they all look like. Really pretty, and I like these dome brushes. I am out of the era where I just buy random brushes. I kind of never really just been in that era, so to speak. But like good face brushes that I know I'll use, I buy those. So if I see a set that I know I'll use, and I know I'll use all of those brushes or most of them, then I'll buy it. I saw several pretty pink, gorgeous brushes, but they were useless. You know, it's like, do I really need another flat brush? Call it tapered brushes that kind of get under here. Do I really need smudge brushes, if you will? You know, stuff like that. Like, I have enough of that, and they sell that all the time. And then they have the one with the little spoolie at the end. You know, so I try to go for what I know I need. It's mainly these brushes and eyeshadow brushes. As far as the eyeshadow brushes go, it's more like the blending brushes. And I typically just stick with the Morphe M504 brushes for blending. And I said all that just to say I did buy one that I felt like was useless. Okay, so this is from Paris Hilton. I could not pass this up because you see how pretty and pink these brushes are. I mean, how could I? So anyway, so these are, how much were these? Okay, so this had no price. Let me find out. What did they charge me then? Is the question. Okay, I don't see a price on it, but I don't think it was much. I don't think any of them were as much as Pat McGrath. These are in the Valentine's Day section. Okay, here's a little puff. Just a little puff. Really cute. I love the color. Here are the brushes. It's the Angle blush brush. This one's shaped like a heart. Look at that. Isn't that cute? You see the little... You see that? It's so cute. I thought this was stinky cute. And look at the handle, y'all. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. These are gorgeous. And then the other one, see, like this brush right here. I don't really need a million of these brushes. This one right here. Like, I could use this one. Okay? I can seriously use that one. But, and then this one. You know, like... So let me show you. Let me make sure I'm showing it to you guys right. So, you know, too many of those. What are we doing? You know? But I do use it to get under here. So, I mean, yeah. So, for $3.99, I got more of those, more sponges from that brand. These are not XL, though. And what is this brand called? It's the Macbeth collection. Really pretty. Ones on the side. This one's like a teardrop. Forgot what they called this one. Another one of those. Pretty. Okay, I guess you can tell that I was all within the Valentine section. So here are some more beauty blenders that I got. And this is from Paris Hilton. Okay, so it's a 4-piece multi-purpose beauty sponge collection. And again, these is $4.99 if I didn't say that already. Here's what it looks like. Very Valentine's-y blending party. That's what that says. But I like the pink and red. That's really stinking cute. Here's what they all look like outside of the package. I don't know why I can't talk today. But here's what they all look like. Beautiful. Look at them. I think they're beautiful. The mixture of dark and light pink is beautiful too. So, per usual, I got some more mascara. Both were $3.99, I think. Yeah, both are $3.99. Both are from Maybelline. One is the Falsies. The other one is the Colossal mascara. One is in Glam Black, and the other one is in Black is Black. This is beautiful. It says Partners in Wine. Okay, we know I love wine. And then here is the coordinating one. If you can see that, I don't want it to wash it out. My lights to wash it out. That's nice. See, was the Happy Spring Pet Apparel. So here's from my baby girl. That's what she's going to wear for spring. Maybe for like Easter. She's gonna love it. So true story, when she puts on her clothes, she does not like to come out of them, okay? Amazon, I just want to go ahead and show you guys this. So from Amazon, Again, this is journaling. But I got this Crafter's Essential Kit, and it's from We Are Memory Keepers. Yeah, We Are Memory Keepers. And so this was about $23 on Amazon. And so it comes with a cutting board. Uh, and then you get a bunch of little utensils. I forget what all these things are for, but anywho, because I have another video coming for you guys. So make sure your notification tabs are on. Make sure you're subscribed and you're getting all notifications. And also make sure you like the video. That helps my videos a lot. And it's free. It's all free. So please, if you don't mind and you like my videos, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that, I'll be back with another video shortly. Bye, kittens.